in tourism has put Barcelona in the highest category of global destinations, enjoying widespread recognition and excellent international appraisals. Barcelona has a rich architectural and monumental history, and also attracts visitors with its constant artistic and cultural activity, its quality of life, and its seaside location. The city boasts 4 marinas and the best urban beaches in the Mediterranean, which are well connected to the centre by the public transport network. Tourist activity in Barcelona, for which the public-private partnership Turisme de Barcelona is the promoter, generates a great economic impact that goes beyond the city and its sphere of influence. The success of tourism in the city can be seen in the large number of businesses working in connection with the sector, which create a great many jobs in areas such as the hotel and catering industry and leisure and entertainment. In like manner, the importance of business and congress tourism in Barcelona must also be acknowledged. Its impact has put Barcelona among the top cities in the world for numbers of international congresses and delegates, key contributors including the Mobile World Congress, the Alimentaria International Food and Drinks Exhibition, and the European Society of Cardiology Congress. Fira de Barcelona plays a crucial role in this area. The leadership possessed by the city and its institutions is also demonstrated by the fact that Fira de Barcelona is being called upon to organize more and more events for businesses all around the globe, capitalizing on its expertise and knowledge in how to organize successful exhibition events. Barcelona has also strengthened its position as a world shopping destination and as one of the most attractive European cities for consumers. It is also a significant gastronomic destination thanks to its renowned culinary figures. Recent technological, social, economic and environmental changes present an opportunity for sustainable tourism within the framework of smart cities. In this regard, Barcelona has signed a responsible tourism charter with UNESCO and has obtained the Biosphere World-Class Destination certification, positioning the city among the most attractive destinations in the world.